Hello everyone and welcome to AMEX 2024. We are here with Mr. Christoph Raab, Secretary General for the Alliance of New Mobility Europe. Hello Christoph, thanks for joining us today here at the Infodrone set. It's a pleasure having you here with us.
Hello, thank you for having me for this interview.
Okay, so as the first question, could you provide an overview of what does the Alliance for New Mobility Europe does in its context?
Yes, very happy to. So the Alliance for New Mobility Europe is a European association. It's based in Brussels for companies, open to everybody who wants to do business in Europe with drones and the AME sector, and who wants to help developing and finalizing the regulation to create the conditions for a market in Europe. So really we have two arms. We have a regulatory arm and a market development arm.
What's the primary mission of AME?
So really we focus on getting a European drone market. I mean, most of the actors in Europe are SMEs. They've invested, they've invented, and they want to bring their products to the market, products and solutions, and they want to do it now, not in 5 or 10 years' time, and especially they need reliable timelines. And so we do what we can, we engage ourselves to make sure that the regulation comes together so that it's reliable, that the market's open, that companies can plan and see when and how their markets open and start making money. I mean, that's really the primary mission. Therefore, we work on the regulation at the same time, in the meantime, because the European regulators, EASA, and also the national regulators need some time. I mean, things do take time. We're talking aviation board. Things need to be safe and thorough. We try to make sure that we help them make it so that they're not running out of money, that they can develop their solutions, mature them. So, for example, we help them getting access to fundings so they can keep working and keep going. For example, we're a founding member of the CESAR joint undertaking process.
How does AME define new air mobility within its organizational context?
So innovative air mobility is a relatively new term. As we know, we've had a number of terms. Advanced air mobility is something. Innovative air mobility, we understand that as the area of the eVTOLs or VCAs as they're now defined, with all the infrastructure around. Yeah? So the OEM manufacturers providing the eVTOL, the device itself, and then you have ground infrastructure, air infrastructure, technology infrastructure that you need. All of that together is IAM for us, and we're working for all of these companies and welcoming them. Because one of the defining characteristics of AME is that we think in value chains. So we're not an association collecting all kinds of members, but we're thinking, okay, what is needed in an innovative air mobility landscape and industry ecosystem, and then we want to combine those, have them, so that we can work with them, they can work with us, and they can work together, and we bring them all closer together in one place.
In what ways does AMEX 2024 helps AME with its objectives of advancing in the integration of the new air mobility and the new forms of aerial mobility?
So UNVEX 2024 for us was a great opportunity, and we were very happy as AME to engage in a partnership and to be here and benefit from everything that's offered, all the stakeholders that are there, the knowledge that's being exchanged. That was really great. And I think it helped us to understand, in particular, a bit more on the Spanish market. I mean, we're cross-European, but it was great for here. It was great to see how UNVEX is also becoming more European, can I say? And we were happy to contribute to that. So I think we've heard about some new actors or some new technology developments, good talks, enlarged our network, and all of that is helpful for us. We can bring that to the benefit of all of our members. So in that sense, we were very happy to be here, see a very successful UNVEX over the last 2 days, and participate and bring our knowledge network also here.
Well, Mr. Raab, thanks again for joining us today here at the Infodrone set here at AMEX 2024. Thanks for letting us know a bit more about AMEs, about its objectives, about what everything is doing for the integration of new air mobility. And I hope to see AMEs and its representatives in future editions of AMEX. Thanks again.
Would be very nice. Thank you very much for the interview.